Hello, today I will show how easy it is to take records with WorksRecorded. Open WhatsApp and just say what is happening on site. For example, today 5 workers for 10 hours assembled 10 walls on the first floor, 2 workers for 8 hours were removing formwork on the second floor, and 2 workers for 2 hours were cutting holes as an additional work on the ground floor. Also, material delivery for steel fixing was delayed. And just send the message. Refresh the page. And you can see that your note is broken down into individual tasks, sorted accordingly and stored online. You can also upload and store site photos. Whole procedure just took 3 minutes and can be done without access to laptop. And this is WorksRecorded, simple construction site diary with WhatsApp. Thank you.